Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to improve your English speaking and grammar, make sure you watch this video till the end because today we are going to learn one of the most important tenses in English, simple past tense. And by the end of this video, you will know what simple past tense is, when to use it, how to make affirmative sentence, how to make negative sentence, how to make interrogative sentence, how to use WH questions, and also the difference between regular and irregular verb, and we also look some common mistake, and finally we will do a practice exercise together. So let's get started. So what is simple past tense? First, let's understand the meaning. Simple past tense is used to talk about an action that has started and finished in the past. एंड इफ़ आई से दिस इन हिंदी, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का यूज़ किसी ऐसे काम को बताने के लिए किया जाता है, किसी ऐसे काम को बताने के लिए होता है जो पास्ट में ही स्टार्ट हुआ और पास्ट में ही कंप्लीट हो गया. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई प्लेड क्रिकेट. आई प्ले क्रिकेट yesterday. Here, playing cricket is an action that has already started in past and completed in past too. Another one, she visited Delhi last week. Here, visiting Delhi is the action that has already started last week, which is past, and also ended in past. Third one, I watched a movie last night. Here, watching a movie is action which is already started in past and completed in past too. So remember, past action plus complete action is equal to simple past tense. Now we will see when do we use past tense. There are several situations where we can use past tense. First, we can use past tense where a complete action happened in past, a action that has already started and completed in past. Second, an action at a specific time in the past. And third, for describing past habit. Let's see with some example to understand it better. First, complete action in past. When something happened and finished in the past, we use simple past tense. For example, I visited my friend yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. They played football in the evening. He bought a new phone last month. All these actions are here completed. Second, use an action at a specific time in the past. If we mention a specific past time, simple past tense is commonly used. For example, I met him yesterday. She called him 8 p.m. He went to Delhi last year. He joined the company in 2024. I finished my work 2 hours ago. Notice the time expression here: last night, yesterday, last week, last month, 2 days ago. All of these are a specific time, so we are using simple past tense here. And third, for describing past habit, simple past tense also describe habit or repeated action in past. For example, I played cricket every evening when I was kid. She walked to the school every day. We visited our grandparents every summer. He watched cartoon when he was young. These actions happened repeatedly in the past. Got it? And now let's understand the most important part, the structure. And for an affirmative sentence structure, we use subject plus second form of verb plus object. That's it. Subject plus second form of verb plus object. For example, I played cricket. Here I is the subject, played is second form of verb, and cricket is object. Another example, she cooked dinner. She is subject, cooked is second form of verb, dinner is object. Let's look at more examples like this. I watched a movie. He visited his friend. She bought a dress. They played football. We completed the project. Now notice one important thing in all these sentences. In simple past tense, we generally use the second form of verb in affirmative sentence. For example, instead of saying go, we can use went, come become came, eat become ate, drink become drank, write become wrote, see become saw, buy become bought, take become took, speak becomes spoke, make made. So I go to school, this is present, but I went to school, this is past. And now let's understand some regular verb. Regular verbs usually form their past tense by adding ed or d. For example, play become played, walk become walked, watch become watched, work become worked, clean become cleaned, open becomes opened, love loved, dance danced. For example, I played cricket yesterday. She danced yesterday. She cleaned her room yesterday. He worked all day. They watched a movie. We visited our teacher. There are some spelling change too. For example, study become studied. Studied. Try, try, but here it's becomes try, tried. So don't always simply add ed. Study becomes studies, not study. Try become tried, not try. Got it? And if we talk about irregular verbs generally don't follow the normal ed pattern. We cannot add ed to each and every word. We can only use ed to regular verb. But if we talk about irregular verb, it's completely changed. When it's completely changed its words later. Sorry. For example, go become went, eat become ate, come become came, see become saw, take become took, give become gave, buy become bought, bring bought, write wrote, speak spoke. For example, I go to the market yesterday. It is a wrong sentence. I can say I went to the market yesterday. Here, went is go is the irregular verb and went is its past form, second form. So I cannot simply add ed to go to make it sentence or to make it second form of verb. Here I have to use I went to the market yesterday. It is sounding good. Let's see one more example. I she ate an apple. No, she eated an apple. Correct? She ate an apple. So you need to gradually memorize some common irregular verbs. Without memorizing, it's not gonna help you guys. And now let's moving ahead to our negative sentence, and here its structure is subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object, or we can use the short form of did not, didn't, subject plus didn't plus first form of verb plus object. Here is the most important rule, guys. After did or did not, always use the first form of verb. For example, I went to the market. This is a positive sentence. This is a affirmative sentence. But if I have to make this a negative sentence, I did not go to the market. Look, went is changing into the go. Not I'm not using went again. If I'm making a negative sentence, then we always use first form of verb. After did, we always use first form of verb. I did not go to the market. No, I did not went to the market. That's wrong. Do you get it? Because did already show the past. Did is the past version of do. So we use the first form of the verb. Like when we put d in sentence, then we'll add first form of verb. Let's see more example. She played cricket. And if I make this negative sentence, she did not play cricket. He ate dinner, and in negative, he did not eat dinner. They watched a movie, and in negative, they did not watch a movie. I bought a new phone, and in negative, I did not buy a new phone. Remember this golden rule: did plus first form of verb, and never use did plus second form of verb. So, did you go? Right. Did you went? Wrong. I didn't go. Right. I didn't went. Wrong. She didn't eat. Right. She didn't ate. Wrong. And now let's moving ahead to our interrogative sentence. Now let's understand how to ask question for simple past question. We use the simple sentence structure for asking question in past. Now, did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object. For example, did you go to school yesterday? Did she call you? Did he buy a new phone? Did they watch the movie? Did you finish your work? Again, notice that after did we use first form of verb. We are not using second form of verb whenever we use did. And here one more thing I want to add, that when someone asks you a question using did, you can give a short answer. For example, did you go to the market? Yes, I did. No, or no, I didn't. Another example, did she call you? No, she didn't. Yes, she did. Did they play football? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Remember, yes plus subject plus did, no plus subject plus didn't. Alright, now we are moving ahead to our WH question, and its structure is very simple. WH word plus did plus subject plus first form of verb. And you already know, guys, what is WH word, like what, where, when, why, who. For example, what did you eat? Where did you go? When did she arrive? Why did he leave? Who did you meet? How did you solve the problem? Let's understand these one by one. What did you buy? I buy a new shirt. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the market yesterday. When did you came home or come home? I came home at 8 p.m. Why did you call me? I call you because I needed your help. Who did you meet? I met my old friend. How did you learn English? I learn English by practicing every day. And now there is a one important thing you should know. When the WH word itself is the subject, we don't normally use did in the same way. For example, who called you? Who is the subject here? So we don't say who did call you. No, in the normal conversation we say who called you. Another example, who broke the window? Who took my pen? Who helped you? So remember, who plus verb, second form of verb. When who is the subject, but when you are asking about the object, who did you meet? Here you is the subject and who is the object. And now let's talk about some very common mistake. First, I didn't went there. No, it's the wrong sentence. Correct is I did not go there. Because after did not, we always use first form of verb. Second, did you went to school? Wrong. Correct is did you go to school? She didn't eat dinner. Wrong. She didn't eat dinner. I go to the market. Wrong. I went to the market. So let's quickly revise everything, guys. Simple past tense talk about complete action in past, and for affirmative sentence, is sentence structure is subject plus second form of verb plus object. For example, I watched a movie. And for negative, subject plus did not plus first form of verb plus object. For example, I did not watch the movie. And if I talk about interrogative sentence, then there the structure is did plus subject plus first form of verb. For example, did you watch movie? And then we have our WH question, and its structure is WH word plus did plus subject plus first form of verb. For example, where did you go? And remember the golden rule, did plus first form of verb. We don't have to use did plus second form of verb. So did you go? Did you went? I didn't eat. Right. I didn't eat. Wrong. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Please don't just watch it, practice it. Write 5 sentences in simple past tense uh, in the comment. For example, I visited my friend yesterday, I watched a movie last night. And if you want to improve your English grammar and speaking step by step, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video with another important English lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. Thank you for watching.